I'm Surita Bungar with Kitco Gibson Capital and Beneath the Surface Capital. And joining me today is Joe Hebert, CEO of Outcrop Gold. Welcome, Joe.
Nice to be here. Thank you.
Great. So how about you tell us about your experience and background and your connection with Outcrop?
Yeah, I have probably 35 years experience in economic geology. I mean, starting from graduating with a BS in geology. And I worked for majors for a good part of that time, up to until about 92. I was the chief generative geologist for the Cortez joint venture for Placer Dome, subsequently taken on by Hebert. And after that, I decided I wanted to work for smaller groups that, could move faster, make decisions faster. And so I consulted for almost 6 years, Mongolia, Mexico, Suriname, and then took a job with Miranda Gold, and have been with them subsequently through the name change of Outcrop just in the last 12 months. And but between Miranda and Outcrop, I think I'm going on 14 years now, and I worked successively up from basically an exploration geologist as a consultant through VP and then now to CEO.
Great. And so Outcrop acquired this year its flagship property, the Santa Ana Silver Project in Colombia. Can you tell us about the highlights of this project and why Outcrop's excited about this project?
Yeah, it's a pre-colonial, colonial silver district. There's recorded history in the Royal Archives in Spain from the 1560s. And it actually, from the work we're finding, it's a fairly good determination of average grades and widths. We have drilled, we came in pretty quickly. We were drilling within 2 months of the TSX closing on the agreement and the deal, and we've drilled 1,300 meters, and we're going to pause, put the model together, put the geology together a little bit more, and try to drill another up to 12,000 meters. And what's amazing about Santa Ana is there's 18 holes total, there's 20 holes total in the project. 94% of them have high-grade hits. Not just, hits, but I mean, better than almost a kilogram silver equivalent. So the portion we're drilling now has a little bit higher gold, but it's still, our last news release, we reported 3/4 of a meter of 22 grams gold and 1,300 ppm silver. So you're talking kilograms, not grams. And the thing of it is, it looks like it's not just spotty, small, irregular shoots. It looks like you can put together 200, 300 meters of continuous mineralization, and we don't even know what depth. We have holes to 200 meters, and we're going to come in one area and drill to at least 400, and we think it'll persist that deep or deeper.
Great. And what are the company's plans for the project for the rest of the year?
The rest of the year, we're going to trench, do geochem, and then by April, resume more wide-spaced exploration drilling. We're going to try to drill have one hole represent about 70 meters strike of the vein system so that we can, it's outcropping mineralization, so that's the way to put together potential the quickest. And between April and 9 months following, we'll drill 12,000 meters. And if everything goes right, that'll really put us in a delineation stage, and we can start putting drill inferred, drill indicated resources together.
Great. Well,
yeah, it's going to be a fast-moving property.
Oh, awesome. Well,
yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Well, thanks for the invite.